What if everything you thought about hair loss was wrong? What if the secret to regrowing your hair fast was hidden in everyday habits? No surgery? No expensive drugs? Stay with me. Let's face it, watching your hair thin out can feel like a losing battle. You might have tried products that promise miracles or even considered surgery. But what if there's a natural way, backed by real research, that can actually help you regain thicker, healthier hair? I'm talking about proven everyday tips that can give your scalp the boost it needs without breaking the bank or going under the knife. I know it sounds too good to be true, especially when every ad seems to guarantee instant results. I've seen friends and even struggled myself with the frustration of hair loss. The constant worry about our appearance can really take a toll, but there's hope. Today, I'm sharing 5 proven tips that target the root causes of hair loss naturally and effectively. Let's start with something simple yet incredibly effective: scalp massage. Massaging your scalp isn't just relaxing. It can actually improve blood circulation to your hair follicles. When your follicles get more oxygen and nutrients, they have a better chance to regrow thicker hair. A 2016 study found that regular scalp massage increased hair thickness in participants over a 24-week period. Just a few minutes a day can help wake up dormant hair follicles. All you need is your fingertips. Gently massage in small circles, focusing on areas where you notice thinning. It might feel odd at first, but make it a daily ritual, perhaps while you're unwinding at night. Over time, you could notice your hair feeling fuller and stronger. You are what you eat, and your hair is no exception. Nutrients like protein, vitamins, especially vitamin D and biotin, and minerals such as iron and zinc are essential for healthy hair growth. Research from the International Journal of Trichology points out that deficiencies in these key nutrients can lead to significant hair thinning. Start by incorporating lean proteins like chicken, fish, or legumes. And don't forget plenty of fruits and vegetables. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon or walnuts, can also help keep your scalp healthy. If you suspect you're missing out on these nutrients, consider talking to your doctor about supplements. Just remember, a balanced diet supports overall health, and that includes your hair. A real-life example. One friend of mine started adding more leafy greens and nuts to his diet after noticing his hair was thinning. Within a few months, not only did he feel more energetic, but his hair started looking noticeably healthier. Sometimes the best remedy is simply feeding your body what it needs. Next up is a tip that might sound like it's straight out of a natural remedy book: using essential oils. One of the most researched is rosemary oil. In a study published in SkinMed, rosemary oil was shown to perform almost as well as minoxidil, a common hair regrowth treatment, for androgenetic alopecia. That's right. This everyday oil can be a game changer. To use rosemary oil, mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and gently massage it into your scalp. Not only does it promote blood flow, but it also has antioxidant properties that can help protect your hair follicles from damage. Other essential oils like peppermint oil or lavender oil have similar benefits and can be alternated to keep your routine fresh. A simple tip: try this out for a few weeks and see if you notice less hair shedding and stronger strands. Many people have turned to essential oils after growing tired of chemical-laden products, and the research supports their natural benefits. Stress is one of the sneakiest culprits behind hair loss. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can push hair follicles into a resting phase, leading to more shedding, a condition known as telogen effluvium. The American Academy of Dermatology highlights stress management as a key step in combating hair loss. Consider incorporating stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. This could be anything from a brisk walk or a short meditation session to simple breathing exercises. Even setting aside just 10 minutes a day to relax can make a big difference. For instance, one study found that individuals who practiced regular meditation not only reduced their stress levels, but also reported less hair loss over time. If you're feeling overwhelmed, start small. A few minutes of mindfulness can help reset your body's stress response, and in turn, your hair can thrive. Remember, a calm mind and body create the best environment for hair to grow. Sometimes, even with a good diet, you might need a little extra help. That's where natural supplements like saw palmetto or pumpkin seed oil come in. Saw palmetto is believed to block the hormone DHT, which is linked to hair loss, and there's research suggesting it can be effective for androgenic alopecia. Similarly, a study on pumpkin seed oil published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found promising results in promoting hair growth. Before you start any new supplement, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying conditions or are taking other medications. But if you're looking for a natural boost to complement your diet and lifestyle changes, these supplements might be worth a try. They work best as part of an overall approach that includes good nutrition, stress management, and proper scalp care. So let's recap scalp massage. A daily massage can boost blood flow and awaken hair follicles. Nutrient-rich diet. Feed your hair with proteins, vitamins, and minerals for a healthy regrowth environment. Essential oils. Natural oils like rosemary can be as effective as some traditional treatments. Stress management. Reducing stress not only helps your mind, but also your hair's health. Natural supplements. Consider options like saw palmetto or pumpkin seed oil to naturally block hair loss hormones. Each of these tips isn't a magic bullet, but when combined, they create a powerful routine that tackles hair loss from multiple angles. The key is consistency and understanding that natural regrowth takes time. Real change often starts with simple daily habits. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our community for more natural health insights. Your journey to healthier hair starts now. Let's take it one step at a time.